Hi guys, today I'm making salt dough ornaments. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salt, 1.5 cups of warm water, a rolling pin, parchment paper, a mixing tool, scissors, a skewer, cookie cutters, some ribbon or twine, and a large mixing bowl. Start by mixing the flour with the salt. Slowly add the warm water to the dry mix. Keep kneading the dough until it's smooth and pliable. Now that your salt dough is made, you're going to take a piece of parchment paper and place a piece of the salt dough onto the center of the parchment paper. Add another piece of parchment paper on top. It just makes for easier rolling and smoother finish. Once your salt dough is nice and thin, you can take your choice of cookie cutters and cut into the dough. Then gently remove the excess dough. Next, take a skewer or a straw and make a hole through the ornament, making sure that it's large enough for your ribbon or twine. Now for the fun part. You can add texture to your ornaments by using any tools you'd like. I'm also using rubber stamps to personalize each ornament. Then into the oven for an hour at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After you take them out of the oven, make sure to cool them for at least 30 minutes. This is what it looks like after they've been cooled. You can leave them like this, or you can paint them. Last, take your twine or ribbon and cut about 10 inches. Simply pull it through and make a knot at the end. I found these bells and decided to add them for an extra festive touch. And there you have your salt dough ornaments, a perfect inexpensive gift for the holidays. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more happy crafts.